Today I am going to do a clean with me, organize and declutter the bathroom with me. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Shannon. I'm doing this video with a few of my fellow YouTube friends. I'm joining Robin from Faith and Flower, and I'm joining Noemi from Scandish Home. And I'm going to link their channels and videos below, and they will also be doing a bathroom clean and tour as well. So you can check out their videos when you're done watching my video. I like to start by taking all the towels out of the bathroom and giving it a quick vacuum. The night before I started cleaning, I decided to change out our shower curtain. The one we had was from 5 years ago and it had rust stains on it, so I thought it needed a spring refresh. After vacuuming, I like to spray everything down, let it soak, and get to cleaning. In case you're interested, where I get my cleaning supplies from is linked below. By decluttering and becoming more minimal, it has really helped me stay more organized as a stay-at-home mom and to keep our house more tidy and free up some time to do other things that I really love to do. I've been wanting to declutter and clean out these drawers, so now is the perfect time. I love these interlocking containers. They help keep everything organized, and I will make sure I link them down below in the description as well. Here are the items that I'm going to declutter. Comment yes if you love to use every last bit of your toothpaste. Every time I declutter, there's always one item that I find and wonder how it even got into our house. This is a clip that looks like it's for a little kid. Since becoming more minimal, we don't store that many items in our bathroom anymore, and I decluttered a lot of the kids' bath toys. They only have about 5 items now. I like to use washcloths as hand towels if needed, and that's what I use to wash my face. And then down below our sink, I like to just keep the things that I use all the time, like my blow dryer and my curling iron, and just some soap, and really that's it. This cabinet is technically in our hallway, but this is where I keep all of our bathroom stuff and backup stuff. So I'm going to take everything out and go through it, because the last time I went through it was when we first started decluttering over a year ago, and I know there's a lot of stuff that we don't use anymore. I'm gonna go through this stuff, see what we don't need anymore, and see what I can declutter. I'm gonna leave that top stuff because I know what that is and I've just gone through it. Here I'm using the KonMari way of decluttering. I'm dumping everything out and sorting through it. These are all items that I've had for a really long time. I'm just trying to use up all of our storage items before I buy anything new. I'm no longer stockpiling items, just using up what we already had, and then I'm buying things as needed. I'm finding a more simplified face makeup cleaning routine. I've gone to using bar shampoo and conditioner to cut down on plastic containers. I'm just finding a more simplified routine, and that means less stuff. Here's my family. Here are the items that I'm going to declutter. I don't need them anymore, and most of them are expired. Storing things in accessible baskets that would normally fall over is really helpful. If you can put small things into a basket that's really easy to get to, I do find it helps me stay a lot more organized. Now I'm going to show you some tips on how I organize my towels. Part of organizing my bathroom for me is also organizing the cupboards that store everything for the bathroom. So all the towels and, like I just showed, all of the backup supplies that we use in the bathroom. And we have quite a lot of towels for a family of 4. What I've decided to do is pull everything out, kind of the KonMari way, see everything in one glance, and pull out what I know we want to keep and get rid of the rest. Some of these towels are really in bad shape, and we've had them since we got married in 2011, so I think we can let quite a few of these go. After a lot of thought about the towels, probably too much thought about towels, that I'm gonna have Grant and I each have our own color. Also, we're each gonna have 2 towels, and then I'm going to have a set of towels for any guests that might come over. So this light teal color will be my 2 towels. Grant will have the darker, and then the guests will have this dark gray color. Each of my children have their own towel that they received for Christmas this year, and it's from a place called The Baby Guy. They're made in the USA. If I can find the link, I'll put it down below, but these are such quality towels, and I find that for the boys, they just need 1 towel. We decided to give each boy a different theme, so Emmett has sharks and Calvin has bugs. That way they can easily see which is their towel. We do have quite a few beach towels, and my husband is a surfer, so I do intend to keep these towels because a lot of the time he takes more than 1 with him, and we do go to the beach a lot during the summer. So I am going to keep these towels, but I think that's okay because we actually use these for blankets when we go as well to sit on, so I like to have plenty of these towels. Here we have what I like to call junk towels, and even though we are minimalist and we are actively decluttering over and over to become more minimal, I honestly think it's very important to keep junk towels or extra towels for if there's a mess or cleaning. I don't like to use paper towels if at all possible, so I do use these for cleaning or cleaning towels. And also, having little kids, I find these towels come in handy in so many different ways. If your child is sick or if it's a rainy day, so I do like to have a backup supply, but I don't need as many as I have, so I'm gonna go through these really quick. When we first started decluttering, I thought towels were something that I would need every single one of the ones that I had, but I've come to find out as time has gone by that we really don't use most of these towels. There's just a few that we use over and over again. Here's the pile of towels that I'm gonna donate, and I know you can donate these to animal shelters and things like that, so I'm actually gonna talk to my mom. I think she has a friend that knows about that, and I'm gonna see where I can donate these. Our linen closet is a very shallow cupboard, and I find a lot of the time when people, meaning my family, go in and grab a towel, everything comes flying out and it's just a big mess. So I'm going to use the KonMari way of folding, and I'm going to use a basket so I can put the hand towels in here without having them tumble out every time somebody grabs a towel. Comment below if you like the KonMari way of organizing in baskets and folding. The junk towels are also a problem with falling. Imagine you want to grab this out and the whole entire pile comes out every time. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to see what I can fit into this container because I realized this fits straight into the shallow cupboard that I have, and I think this is going to help a lot to keep us organized. We're chasing the easy life. This is going to make it so much easier to grab a cleaning towel when I need it. I'm just folding these towels in a neat way that will fit into the cupboard really easily. Make sure you check out Noemi and Robin's videos too. They're linked down below for some more inspiration for cleaning and decluttering. Okay, let's go get this organized. Decluttering and using the KonMari system has been so helpful with keeping us organized and helping us to become more minimal. I love how this looks now, and look how easy it's going to be to grab out one of these towels without them all flying out of the cupboard. If you liked this video, you're going to love how we became more minimal, a year of decluttering. Click over here to watch that video. Also, it's linked below, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to never miss a video. I'll see you next time. Bye.